So we have a point on the base of the foot called the bubbling well. Basically the hollow part about 2/3 up, and that helps to ground your energy, absorbing energy from the earth. This is best to do on the earth, barefoot, but you can do it anytime just to connect with the ground. One breathing exercise you can do with this, you can do it sitting or standing. Start by taking a few deep breaths into the Dantien. It means elixir, an elixir of energy. So when you breathe into this area, slightly expanding the chest naturally, but not like you're about to sing an opera. So we're focusing mainly on the abdomen, letting the diaphragm descend and ascend. Feel the energy building in all of your body, round to the back, expanding from the center. As the Dantien builds energy, it starts to activate the kidneys and the water chi. So it's important to be hydrated when you do this practice. And then the kidneys start to connect with the heart fire and create the steam, which is more chi. So the elements start to work together and you get this fusion of the 5 elements. Placing the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And now the energy is building, you can send the energy up the spine, down the front, connecting through the tongue, just touching the roof of the mouth, connecting the upper and the lower. And then it goes back down and up the spine like this. That's called the microcosmic orbit. The macrocosmic goes to the legs as well, and the feet. If you want to try that, you can. Or there's a mini version where you go just down to the base of the spine, up to the kidney area, and back down. So it's a mini orbit. That one just helps to build the chi in this area even further, whereas going all the way up the spine can take a bit longer and takes more practice to visualize and guide the energy, not with force, but simply intention or attention. Remember, chi is something you build. It takes time to connect with. But as long as you focus on the input, the practice, then the output, the chi, will happen automatically. And we can use chi as a way to reflect on our progress and also how we feel, what we're doing well, what we can do differently, whether it's movement, breathing, or lifestyle. Smile to your organs while you're doing these practices. Smile to your body. Fill yourself with positive energy and light as you connect with the universe and nature, and the feeling of awe and appreciation grows. But it's something you're part of.